Okay. Pier 27, James Sherman Cruise. Pier 27. May it's open, May. The thing. It looks like closed pero it's open.
Anong araw the best fish and chips
Oh,
town?
in town?
Yeah.
Or, the best chips and fish in town
Siguro fish is chips.
of San Francisco. Of San Francisco. Diba? The best chips and fish in town is here in Pier 27. Ah. Ah. Whew.
Mababa tayo dyan, walang dyan.
Yeah. Bigyan tayo naglakad, May, oh. Pier 27. Okay, bye for now. Bye-bye, San Francisco. Until we meet again. We will leave tonight at 10:30, heading back to Ensenada. Bye.